Welcome to Colourpan. This is a project pan created by Pantastic lady Misty, and it's all about bringing in your Colourpop products or their sister brands like Fourth Ray Beauty and Soul Body. I initially wasn't going to do this project pan because I was like, all of my Colourpop is brand new to me, why would I want to put it in a project pan? And then I thought if I put some usage goals on it, maybe it'll force me to play with it and have some fun with it and just get creative. So I was like, you know what, I think I'm going to join this project anyway. So I am a month late. It did start on January 18th and it goes to December 18th, but you know what? Better late than never. And before I start today, I just want to address what I feel like is an elephant in the room, which I'm pretty sure is like a little fluff just floating, and if I don't point it out, nobody would notice, but I feel so self-conscious about it right now that I'm gonna point it out myself so everybody can stare at it. My eye is leaking so bad. Like, my eyes are so irritated. I've worn makeup like, I want to say a week in a row now, and my eyes just need a break, and for whatever reason it is just leaking and leaking, and I can't get eyeshadow to stay on it for the life of me. So if it looks like I'm crying or if it looks like it's budging, it 100% is. So sorry to point that out because it's one of those things that you probably didn't notice until I pointed it out to you, but you're welcome. So I have 3 different groups of products that I'm going to be focusing on for this color pan, and the first one is my volumizing mascaras. So the first set of products I have for you are my volumizing mascaras. I have about 7 of these, and my goal is to get 10 uses each. If I can get those 10 uses pretty easily, I'll up my goal from there, but I'm going to start with 10 just because I'm just playing around and having fun with them. Let me show you the colors that we'll be working on. Let's see if I can remember the names as I go through them. We have Roar, which is the green. We have Swell Season, which is teal. Blue Your Mind, which is a cobalt blue. Purple Prose, which is like a deep lavender. We have Pink Ink, which is like a blue toned pink. We have Wine O'Clock, which is kind of like a winey red, and we have Left on Red, which is just like a true red. The next set of products I have for you are my 3 lippy pencils. I have them all in kind of like a cool tone color because I bought like a little package of the just like a cool toned lip package from Colourpop, so that's why they're all kind of very similar, but let me show you what they look like. The first one is Ashton, then this one is Beeper, and then we also have Cool BFF. And then, as you can probably guess, the last little set of products I have are my cream gel liners. I bought these in a set of 10 as well, just kind of like a small little rainbow package. I thought it gave me a nice little mix of everything. So let me go over the colors that I'll be working on as well. I pulled up my cheat card just in case I need to. We have Joyride. Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely need to cheat on this one. So we have Joyride, we have Charmer, we have Plum Smash, Honeydude, Peach Fuzz, Toucan Do It, Aglow, Icebreaker, Crystal Crush, and Exit. Actually, I did pretty good remembering all of those. So I do have a little story with the color Aglow here. This is the metallic green that I'll be working on. So Pantastic Beauty is also working on some green eyeliner in her project pans as well, and she didn't get as much usage as she was hoping to this past month. So just as a friendly little competition, I was like, hey, I challenge you to a green eyeliner showdown for the month of March. So her and I are going to be going neck and neck of who can wear the most green eyeliner in the month of March. So if you would like to join us, all you have to do is keep tallies of how many times you wear green eyeliner in the month of March and let us know. And if you don't want to join in, that's perfectly fine. Just let me know down below, who do you think is going to take the crown? Is it going to be me or is it going to be her? So those are the products I'm going to be working on. I have my volumizing mascaras, my lippy pencils, and my cream gel liners. So that is everything that I have for you today. Those are the products I'm going to be working on. Don't forget to leave some encouragement down below for my green eyeliner showdown. Don't forget to also go to Pantastic Beauty's page and leave her some encouragement as well. This is just friendly competition, so please encourage everybody who decides to join in on this project. And yeah, until the next one, I hope the day treats you well, and thank you for being here. Bye!